I was diagnosed at the age of 17. It's been quite the journey from that initial diagnosis. You're hearing people make decisions around you that you don't agree with. That power just gets taken from you. Because of my early diagnosis, I actually didn't finish high school. I never went to college. Despite not having access to education, I was going to educate myself. And I ended up moving back to Boston to get access to a doctor that was more willing to explore other treatments that my current neurologist wouldn't. I was adamant that this is not a life. It was me not willing to accept that as my future. I did not want to be chronically ill and live in poverty. I navigated into sales. I wanted to be the best at sales. I worked for Microsoft. I hit Platinum Club, which is the top 1% of sellers. I had to be so good at what I did and be better than everybody around me so that all they could ever say was, you know what? Kristina runs circles around all of you. It doesn't mean that your life as you know it stops. It doesn't mean that you can't still dream big. Going through a tour of the very machines that saved my life and allowed me to be here, I want to make sure that the people putting together the parts understand how profoundly important the work that they're doing is. With the right treatment and the right doctors, you can do everything that you wanted to do.